Morning, friends. This morning's feed up came where all the cat food was gone, and now I am seeing two cats, a black one and a tiger one, that a rescue is trying to TNR and hopefully relocate, because this area is not an area that a development that sadly wants to see any cats roaming. This morning there's a lot of birds. Look what we have here. My husband was nice enough, still because my leg is out of commission, he was nice enough to do the feeders. I saw a little one on a tree waiting for me, a little squirrel, just giving me a peek, and then she's gone. Or he. It's spring. You can see them fluttering away. There's the secret garden. I love this area so much. There's a smell that you smell when there are birds. I feel a difference, and it could be just the plants giving off. There's almost like a scent. It's really very lovely, very lovely. You hear all of them around. You may not see them, but you hear them. This is a quick morning feed up. They do not want me getting close, and they are smart. They are smart not wanting to get me too close. The doves seem to be see the dove, the morning dove? There it is, there it is. There's a little one there. Anyway, everyone, wishing you a wonderful morning. We're gonna get thunderstorms over here, and it's the start of Tuesday. Listen, you see that? That's a good way to end the video. Have a wonderful Tuesday.